Here are some techniques you can use to make great coffee. Use freshly ground beans. Freshly ground beans will have more flavor than pre-ground beans, which can go stale quickly. Grind your beans just before brewing for the best taste. Use the right amount of coffee. A general rule of thumb is to use about 1 to 2 tablespoons of coffee per 6 ounces of water. Adjust the amount to your personal taste. Use the right water temperature. The ideal water temperature for brewing coffee is around 195 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit, 90–96 degrees Celsius. If the water is too hot, it can scorch the coffee and give it a bitter taste. If it's not hot enough, it won't extract all of the flavors from the beans. Use filtered water. Using clean, filtered water will help to ensure that your coffee tastes clean and pure, without any off flavors from the tap. Experiment with different brewing methods. There are many different ways to brew coffee, including drip brewing, French press, and pour over. Experiment with different methods to find the one that produces the best taste for you. Store your coffee properly. To keep your coffee tasting its best, store it in an airtight container at room temperature, away from light and moisture. I hope these tips help you make great coffee. Do you have any specific questions about the brewing process? Please comment below.